weather. It's really adjective. So bizarre for a month. Well, that's British weather for you. During national sports event too. Oh, yeah. Do you follow national sports events? No, not really. No, me neither, no. Did you hear what a ticket costs nowadays though? No. My family member name paid small fortune in drinks. Quirky exclamation. You know, why go all the way to city during weather when you can watch it at home in your PJs with a nice cup of tea? Oh, that sounds like a lovely weekend time to me. You know, weather always makes me want a cup of tea. Oh yeah. So have you seen that new TV show with aging British celebrity? Oh, I haven't, but everything they do is great, isn't it? Oh yeah, you know, I can't believe they're still verb with ing, to be honest. They are a national treasure. Well, I see public transport is running late again. Reliably swear word. Oh, it's the traffic. It's extreme negative adjective today. You know, because weather. It's the work they're doing on road name. Road name, yes. Oh, you know, that's been going on for an amount of time. It's a pain in the body part. You know, I blame the current political party in power. Oh yeah, you know, it's not been the same since recent political event. Oh, recent political event, you know. Yeah, the country's falling apart. Well, yeah, could be worse. At least weather is good for garden. Hey, at least it's only a number of days before weekend. Oh yeah, that's gonna be quite positive adjective. You know, I'm gonna get British supermarket takeaway dish from another country and I'm gonna eat it watching that show with aging British celebrity. Them, yes. Oh, they're a national treasure, really. Yeah. Generic fake excuse to check phone. Oh, excuse welcomed. Positive adjective to see you. Very positive adjective. See you non-committal place. Yeah, catch up non-committal time.